Good morning from somewhere outside of Dalat. You know, start the day with a nice coconut and get some food in this market. We've already met the fruit ladies. They're very fun and playful.
Thank you very much.
Cheers, homie.
Cheers.
To a good day. We have a big day ahead of us. We got a big climb. We need to get some good food in us, some good drinks, some coffee. Then we'll hit the road. Already done. One thing's for sure, they're cooking up a storm in here. There's like at least 10 stalls cooking up all different kinds of food. So we're not gonna go hungry. That's a good thing. We got your traditional pancakes, some soups, we got the sticky rice, we got the banh mi's. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ooh. I don't know.
I think a bowl of noodles, I might take a banh mi with me and have that.
There we go. That's a good idea, but it's nice. They're not all selling the same things. They got all different kinds of stuff in here, which is good to see. Ooh. A lot of gooiness in here. Good morning. Xin chào. Xin chào. Breakfast this morning at Mi Quang. Oh man. This kind of looks like a new one. There's a lot of goodies in there. I'm not really sure what I'm looking at, but I do recognize peanuts. I do recognize a small egg. There's some meat maybe some fish cake, some liver.
Làm cho em, làm cho chị.
Oh man.
Is that good?
Oh dude. That is money. The broth is amazing. Oh man. Ooh, slightly a little salty. Oh man. Dude. Look.
Em thử có mà như mình vậy nha.
I got some like blood.
Solid choice. That's some,
Liver?
I'm guessing liver. Wow, it's a heavy load. Man. Heavy load, wide load right here. I'm sure they do this every day too. Load up at the market and then go wherever they need to go. Resell it, do whatever they do. Man, pretty impressive. I was just taking a walk around over here on the side over here. They have the sewing shops. And so a bunch of like privately owned. Good morning. Xin chào. And so each one looks like their own little shop here. Got the sewing machines. Good morning. Xin chào. This lady was nice. Kim Hue. Come check her out. Kim Hue. Anyways. Alrighty, on the road again. And yeah, we got some mountains ahead of us, and that is exactly what we got to get up and over. Well, we got a beautiful day today, feeling good, and yeah, great day to cycle. We'll see how I feel when I get up that mountain. Very flooded, isn't it? Get a little salt coffee boost, and then it's up 1,000 meters. One thing's for sure, I think we're gonna be rewarded with some really good views on this rock. Just gotta get up there. Oh man, don't mind if I do. Oh yeah. Wow, I don't think I've seen so many dragonflies. Yeah, this is pretty random. We have some sort of Christian statue up here. Maybe that's Mother Mary again. Man, beautiful spot though. She has one hell of a view though, I'd say. Man. Nice, what a spot. Oh my gosh, that feels so good. Oh man. Well, when you make it up to the 1,000-meter point, you're greeted by this small little town. Nice little mountain town. So we just rolled into town. We didn't make it to Dalat because the road to go there, I don't know, for whatever reason, I guess, maybe landslides, it's not passable. So we had to go around, and so we just decided to come to this small town. We might not go to Dalat, I don't know. It's still quite a ways up there. We found this place. They had some jamming music, and they had all this fresh seafood out here, which turns out snail and clams. Haven't had that yet here. And so we ordered some snail fried rice. Sure, it's gonna be good. Kind of rubbery, kind of chewy.
Kind of what you expected, huh?
No, I didn't know what to expect, really. Good morning, guys. We are looking at an absolute beautiful day today. Man, I knew we'd hit the rain eventually again. I mean, we were trying to outrun it, but another typhoon is hitting Vietnam. It's unbelievable. The third one since I've been here. It's supposed to be hitting a little bit further up north, but I think we're getting some of the side impacts from it. Hopefully just no wind. Gonna be a beautiful day today. Man, look at this. Woo, trucks, rain. Woo. Gotta love it. All right, wow, she's loading it up. I basically was just like, I want some pork, egg, and some rice, please. And then she just threw everything on there, which is fine. Pretty tough day of cycling, pretty wet. And yeah, we just stopped off here, cool off. I'm sweating, I have a jacket on, and it's like a sauna underneath there, so it's kind of, you're fighting off the rain, but at the same time you're sweating and still getting wet. Oh, that's perfect. Some bitter gourd, egg, pork. Come on, thank you. Thank you. I want, huh? I'm from the U.S., America. And England. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Come on. Thank you. All right, let me put these away. Very nice, man. That hadn't happened too often here. Not near as many times as Korea, but a few times. Up in the north, a few kids chased me down and gave me some drinks. Yeah.
Yeah, he's getting back the other way now.
Yeah, he's leaving. Gave us 3 bags of chips and 4?
Noodles as well.
Oh wow, okay, I didn't see that. Oh, 2 bags of chips, 2 noodles. He bought us a meal.
Yeah, that's the whole meal right there.
Sweet. Hey! Some drinks.
Oh,
Thank you.
yeah.
Come on, come on. Back to back. Back to back. Maybe it's okay, no plastic.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hey.
okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, thank you. It has been a miserable day. Horrible. The worst day of the tour so far, easily. Just battling the rain, going up, down, up, down. But that always helps. The generosity of people. That's always nice. Nice welcome to this small little town for sure. Yeah. They brought the smiles out. How you feeling?
Pretty good now that we're here.
Yeah.
And we got some nice treats from the locals. Feeling good.
Rough day. Rough day. Looks pretty good. Well, our miserable day is over. And it just kept getting worse. Nick booked a place on booking.com. Couldn't find it. Didn't exist. We had to go to a couple places to call the number, and the guy's like, "Oh, I'm in Ho Chi Minh. Call my sister." I think it was a scam. I think it's, I don't know. I think it was because it's a non-refundable place. He paid for it. I think he got his money back already, but still. We had to cycle back into town, just soaked, wet. Find a place, good deal, $300,000, which is really cheap. No hot water. Hopefully, fingers crossed, nothing wrong with your bike. It was dripping some black stuff. We don't know what it is. But we got cleaned up, showered. It just feels good to be dry. Found a good place to eat dinner. Kind of the only thing in this town, it feels like. But yeah, we'll see you in the morning. More to come.